Good day, children. Hope you're all doing good today. Welcome back to a new academic year and it's a new beginning. Let's start our day by smiling brightly at our family members. I'm going to show few pictures and you are going to guess why I am showing you these pictures. Let's get started. This is a sun and this man is carrying his son. This is a sea. I see with my eyes. See. Did you guess why I'm showing you these pictures? Yes, these words sound the same. Very good. Today we are going to see about homophones. But homophone can be divided as homo and phone. The word homo means same and phone means sound. As we saw the examples earlier, they had the same sound. Let's see few more words that sound the same. Hair, hair, tail, and a tail. This is also known as fairy tale. Cell and cell. Now let's get into the meaning of these words. As I said earlier, these words just have the same sound but different meaning and spelling. For example, the word sun is spelled as S-O-N and sun is spelled as S-U-N. They have a major difference. The word S-O-N means a boy in relationship to his parents. And the word S-U-N, sun, means a huge ball of fire. It is a star in the solar system. As you see, they have different spellings, different meanings, but they have the same sound. Now let's see one more example. See and see. They sound very similar, but they have different meanings. We say, I see with my eyes. See, S-E-E, see with my eyes. And S-E-A means sea. It is a water body. It is a large water body. Let us see one more example, which is cell, C-E-L-L and S-E-L-L. They almost look the same. They have just different one letter difference in them. So it is easy to identify them. The word C-E-L-L means cell is the smallest unit in our body. Whereas we see S-E-L-L, it means selling something. As you see in the picture, a man is selling toys. In the previous example, we saw a boy was selling lemonades. Okay, let's have a small recap of what we learned. What are homophones? I'll teach this in a little more easier way. Let's just write same and different. Same and different. So what is common in this? They have the same sound. Like cell, cell. See, see. Sun, sun. Tail, tail. Hair, hair. But they have different spelling and meaning. Spelling and meaning. So now it will be easy for us to remember what are homophones. Homophones have same sound but they have different spelling and different meaning. Very good. I hope you all understood this. Now let's just have a small activity on this. This activity is based on sounds. Now you're going to play this with me. We have words like hair, buy, waist, no, wrap. Try telling it with me. Hair, buy, waste, no, wrap. Now let's see what are the words which go with these words. And our options are waste, no, hair, wrap, buy. Now let's try to match them. The first word given on your left side is hair. So which word will match this? Waste, hair, waste, no, it does not match. Hair, no, no. Hair, hair. Yeah, it matches the sound. Hair and hair. Now it's time for us to match this. Okay, let's go to the next one. Buy, no. Buy, waste. Buy, wrap. Buy, buy. It sounds the same. Okay, now let's match the right answer. Buy and buy. Waste. Waste will go with. Let's try fixing. Waste, no. It does not sound the same. Waste, wrap, no. Let's try it again. Waste, waste. Yeah, it sounds the same. So let's pull this here. The next word, no, wrap. Does it sound the same? No. So let's match NO with KNOW. And the last one is wrap, wrap. Now children, have you understood that these words have same sound but they have different meanings and different spellings? Good job children. You've learned what are homophones. Now it's your turn to find words that sound the same and to find their meanings using a dictionary. Don't use your cell phones, but you can use your dictionary to find the meaning. Find words that sound the same and write it in your rough note. Bye children. See you all in the next class. Until that, stay healthy, stay safe, drink plenty of water. Bye.